In this section within my Common Application, you will indicate if you want to report any test scores in your application. This section may take 5 to 20 minutes to complete. Colleges state their testing policy on their website and on Common App. Please check each college on your list to determine the policy for submitting test scores. The first question is if you want to submit test scores. If you do not want to submit your test scores, answer no. If you answer no, the only remaining question will be about international applicants. If you are not an international applicant and you are not submitting your test scores, you will click Continue. If you answer yes to the question to submit test scores, you are indicating you want colleges to see your standardized scores. The colleges will expect you to report your scores in this section of the Common Application or to send them directly to the ACT or the College Board, the company that administers the SAT. As a word of caution, some colleges will not allow you to change your mind once your application has been submitted. Some colleges will expect to receive your test scores if you have marked in this section of the application that you will send them. Once you have indicated yes to submitting a test score, a drop-down menu will appear and you will choose the test score you want to share. You should have a printout or a screenshot of your test scores when you complete this section to be sure the information is accurate. Choices include the ACT, SAT, AP tests, IB subject tests, TOEFL, and other various language proficiency tests. Once you have chosen which test scores to share, an additional section will appear requiring you to include past testing dates and scores, as well as planned future test dates. The Common App asks for your highest composite score. We will enter 27. It will ask you for the date the score was achieved. We will enter July 13th, 2024 for the date. In fact, all dates for the highest scores achieved in our example will be the same since we are only reporting one test date. Common App will ask for your highest math score. We will enter 26 for your math score. The date you achieved the math score was the same date. Common App will ask if you want to submit a science score. If you indicate yes, the drop-down will ask you to submit your highest science score. We will enter 25 for your science score and enter the same date. Common App will ask for your highest English score. We will enter 32. And the date you achieve the English score is the same date, July 13th. Common App will ask for your highest reading score. You will enter 24 for your reading score. Entering the same date, you will indicate if you want to answer the question about writing. In this example, the future ACT test date will be October 18th, 2025. And if you are sharing SAT scores, you should fill in all the scores and dates requested if you are intending to submit them. If you are taking the AP test later in the year, you can add the future date, which is typically in the month of May. AP scores are most often self-reported. Students are not required to report or send an official AP score as part of the application unless specifically required by the college. When reporting IB exams, students should send their results with the highest scores first. Then you have completed this section, click Continue.